Hey, good noon, Ravi.
Yeah, good morning. Good afternoon.
Hi Ravi, good afternoon.
Good noon.
Uh, Very good. Now let's start our discussion about it, guys. So why the people is like, oh, very good. Like that I want wise, no? Because now we are going to start a now session, right? We are not still tired, but the people is like what? Presenting their noon as a what? Dull. Why, guys? Okay, so yesterday what we completed, guys?
Static,
Constructor
non-static.
and static.
Constructor, static, non-static
Constructor.
class.
Okay, so now today we will start to understanding what is that abstract class. Abstract class. Initially only I'm asking guys, you guys want what is the depth knowledge in that abstract classes, or like just what is that, what is the contract, and what is that, like how we understood those things, right? Like that only you want, just tell me guys, like that we will explain it. Because
Depth we want.
okay, if you want a depth way, right? So the thing is, guys, initially only I'm saying that abstract classes. If you are learning here the abstract classes, just only syntax, how to declare declaration part will be different with another technology like Java. But same like what is that? Same like working functionality here will be there. But don't worry about that. We will understand those things in the clear manner, right? Clear manner, right? Come on. Right, guys, come on. People are not responding. Why?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
in
Yes,
depth, right? Okay,
yes
good,
Ravi,
good.
yes.
Okay, so just again, I'm saying, guys, with this knowledge, right? Just whatever, if you are learner, if you are learning the Java, core Java, then the abstraction and everything will be the same only, guys. Declaration also, every part will be the same. Just the syntax based on that, your technology, you can merge it. Like that, I designed our what is that abstract explanation, abstraction explanation. But before that, we will understand some theory part, guys. Okay, some theory part. In that, based on that, we will understand like what we will understand, like our template. What is the template in the TypeScript? In the TypeScript, whatever template is there, that is only nothing but what, friends? That is nothing but abstraction in the other technology, abstract classes in the other technology, right? So just I want to see the people name. So just what is that? I don't know people are observing or not. Initially, whenever I'm starting the session, initially like 30 to 40 minutes. Why 30 minutes? Just 30 minutes. Why my explanation will be not there good? Even though people is trying to understand, also they not. Why, because I know that initially, like people will, like what is that, join 30, 30, 32, 35 member. I know that this strength will reduce. Whoever really needed, they will still till last, right? So once the first time our session is completing like 40 minutes, then see, my explanation will be different after next discussion onward, right? So that is the reason I know that, because they are the not permanent people, just they are coming and they are testing it, right? How is it teaching, how is it teaching, and all those things for them. Don't worry about that, guys. Okay, so but the thing is, today I'm going to explain what is that abstraction in the TypeScript, abstraction in the TypeScript, and every time I will compare with our Java technology. In the Java technology, how we are writing, what is that, what is the issue, right? So the whoever the Java developer, they have what is that more clarity about that. Nothing. If you know a one technology thoroughly, guys, okay, for you learning another technology is what is that? Means what is that? Flying in the sky,
TypeScript.
flying in the sky. Right now let's start our discussion about it now, guys. So let's start the ID, then we will start another thing is what is that, our nodes, Angular nodes. So today, if you guys are like supporting, then I will complete our what is that TypeScript, guys. Once our TypeScript completed, in the next weekend we will start Angular, right? So you can assume
Yes Ravi.
still so many abstraction is there. Modularity I will explain, which is the which is taking care in the Angular also. That one, that concept is left. Namespaces is left. generics is left, and enum. This 4 topic is left, guys. Okay, now let's try. So I'm ready to take the session long today. Everyone is ready for that?
Yeah,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yes.
Yes,
Ravi.
So because unless if I'm not completing the what is that concept, I will not wind up the session. Then what you guys thinking about that? Just 2 hours, and
Sure, Ravi.
we can extend the session.
You can.
You can
Oh,
extend.
okay. Now let's start our discussion about the template in OOP, guys. Okay, today our discussion is what is that template in what is that object oriented programming. So now what is the template is nothing but what is that abstraction in the other technology. In the TypeScript we are saying that what is that template, guys. In the TypeScript we are saying template, but in another technology we are saying abstract class, right? In another technology what we are saying now, abstract class. Template only is nothing but what is that abstraction in another classes now, guys. So simple. Before that, what I'm going to do now, what is the template? First we will understand really what is the template, guys. Okay, then what we will do it now, then we will start our practically understanding those things, how we will implement, how we will do those things, right? Like that, these things we will start to understanding those things now. Okay, so first let's open the paint. Open the paint now. So just assume that our HDFC Bank is there now, guys. HDFC Bank. Okay, let's take HDFC Bank project. HDFC Bank project. What is that? HDFC. Any bank project, guys. Don't think about that. I'm taking HDFC means HDFC. No, any bank account, right? Sorry, any bank project. HDFC Bank project is there. HDFC Bank project is what is that? What is that? HDFC Bank having what is that application now? Application, come on. Application, right? Application. So these
Yes.
just assume that this application is developed by some companies, like let's take TCS, right? TCS. So means what is that? This HDFC Bank people is given what is that their requirement, what is that this what is that project responsibility they given to whom? TCS now. TCS, right? TCS. Now fine, guys. So TCS developer, what the TCS will do? TCS will, if the project is there in the Java, then Java developer, then they will take the Java developer and they will start developing their what is that their project na, their project, right?
Yes.
What about only today Lakshmi is not
Yeah.
Yes.
Sakti, Lakshmi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, now Java developer, TCS is taken what is that HDFC project to develop what is that their project, right? So what is that TCS is taking Java developers and they assigning the tasks to complete their project, right? Now, but the thing is, guys, that the thing is what is that sometime what is that some transaction related what is that this bank people is not exposing what is that their data to develop what is the TCS people, right? TCS people, then what they are doing now, so means other activity related what is that whatever private data is there in the bank, right? Whatever private data is there, for that what will happen now? For that this HDFC people is what is that HDFC is what is that hiring their own Java developer, right? This HDFC people is what is that developing their hiring their own Java developer, and what is that? And this TCS people, right? This TCS whom they given the project, they are just saying that hey TCS people, you have to develop, this is the our requirement is this one. Based on this requirement, what you need to do now, just develop what is that template, template, right? Template is nothing but abstract classes. Just give that template rules, right? Based on that, what we will do it now, we will implement that template. Means what is that? We will implement template implementation. Template implementation done by whom? HDFC developer. But template is designed by whom? TCS people. Come on, TCS people, right? TCS people. So means what is that? Means what is that? Means what is that? A template is nothing but what is that? Abstraction of what is that? Their HDFC some private data. HDFC bank some private data. Then by taking that template from the TCS people, then what the HDFC people is doing now? Whatever private things is there related to their what is that? Their businesses, right? Their businesses, they are giving their own implementation, they are writing their logics, and those data is not exposing to whom? Those data is not exposing to whom? TCS people. Come on, guys.
TCS people, yes.
Right? TCS people means what is that? So same like what is that? See, both having what is that? Both having the developer. TCS also having the developer, as well as what is that? With which bank we are developing the project?
HDFC bank.
With which
Also
bank? With which bank also we are developing the project? That bank also having the developer. Because see, boss, see there, why they if but total India, right? In the total India, HDFC project having what is that? They are hiring for the developer. They are hiring HDFC people also hiring for their own direct payroll of what is that? These developer will be there for what is the direct payroll of HDFC. But what is that? This TCS people is what is that? Direct payroll of what is that? They are working with the payroll company is TCS, but they are working for whom? HDFC. Come on.
Yes.
HDFC. But this developer is what is that? Direct payroll of what is that? HDFC bank.
HDFC bank.
Yeah. So this developer, see, this developer, what is that? Rarely means if the like any bank people is hiring any developer, means what is that? That developer should be minimum 15 to 20 years of experienced people they are hiring. They are not like 3 to 4 or 5 years of experienced people they are hiring, right? Because why? The total India, right? In the total Indian, right? What is that? The handled by this project, what is that? Handled by this project whom? Only minimum 4 to 5 people will be there, or 7 to 8 people only will be there, right? They only handling this project. Why they are? Because the means what is that? Very risky situation. Who is the handling? This developer, and they are hired, means very good in the technology and technically. Those people only what is that? They are hiring this HDFC people, because in the fraction of second, right? If 1 minute also this project is going down, means what is that? The HDFC businesses, what is that? This HDFC people will lose so much like what is that? They will come money, right? Money, like what is that? I don't know.
Amount is money.
1, 2 to 3 years back, right? This Facebook went down, right? In between only, like what is the Juga Verges came in the 4th position. Just assume that just for the four, he's the richer person in the whole world, right? What is that? I think 4 to 5 years back, first ranker he was there, right? But just due to what is that? 4 hours, his application went down, and in between he came in the 4th or 5th position. Just assume that much, what is that? That much risky things is there to handle. What is that? This developer is handling those things, right? This developer is handling those things now. Okay. So now based on this discussion, guys, this discussion, what is that? How many types of what is that project now? How many types of project now? First type of project is what is that? Implementation project. Implementation project. Implementation project is nothing but scratch level project. Scratch level project, right? Scratch level project. Another one is what is that? Support project. Support project, right? Another one is what? Support project. And third one is what is that? Third one is what is that? Upgrade project. Fourth one is, third one is what is that? Upgrade project. And fourth one is what is that? Roll out project. In the industry, right? 4 types of projects are there, guys. 4 types of projects are there. New implementation is nothing but what is that? End to end development, guys. End to end development. New implementation means what is that? End to end development, right? Now support means what? Support means what is that? Already project is what is that? Given some company, right? Some company, they given some this project already is there. If any issue is there, to resolve that kind of project is nothing but what is that? That kind of project is nothing but what is that? Support project. Upgrades upgrade project means upgrade project means what? Upgrade project is nothing but what is that? Just what is that? Your project is there in what is that? Some different technology. Now client want what? Client want to upgrade their project with what is that? Different technology. Same functionality should be the same only, but what is that? This what is that? End user, nothing but client want what is that? To upgrade my technology. Just assume that we are using initially what is that? 1.7 Java version, but now end user want what is that? Nothing but client want what is that? To upgrade what is that? My project in the 1.8. So now for that, this kind of developer, how their company is hiring now? How the company? For that, contract based development, you know that contract developer. Come on, guys. So
Yes,
Right.
sir.
yeah, so what the company is doing now? This project is there with the some company. Then what is that? For the some period of time, what they will do now? For the upgrades?
They have hired some contract employee.
Yeah, they will hire what is that? They will hire some contract employee. They will hire what is that? Contract employee. And what is that? This upgradation will complete within the 6 to 7 month only, guys. For the 6 to 7 month, what they will do now? They will hire some what is that? Contract employee, and they will use that contract employee. Once their upgrade project done, then what is that? They will return back. And what is that? Rollout developer is what? Rollout developer is nothing but what, friends? Now this is the important, and every Indians having the dream. Every Indians having the dream. So I want to go from the other country to work, right? Means on site. Rollout is nothing but what is that? Working with what? On site, client on site. Just what is that? Let's take what is that? What is the on site project? Let's take TCS. TCS is there, right? TCS build what is that? TCS build what? One application. TCS build what is that? One application. Who's that? Some noise is happening here. Yeah. So TCS is building what is that? Some what is that? TCS building. TCS build what is that? Build what is that? Build one application. Let's take Jaguar also, brand of TCS only, na? Come on, guys. Come on, Jaguar, Tata Jaguar, right? Jaguar based on that Indian market, right? Indian market, what is that? This TCS developer developed the what is that? TCS developer what is that? Developed what is that? One project based on that Indian financial market. What is that? Then what is that? This application, they develop application. Based on that Indian market. What is that? What is the financial strategy is there in Indian market? They are following and they are developing. And they are these developers is there in India. in India. Same like what is that? If you go US, US Indian market financial strategy is different or not compared to India? Come on, guys. Or same only?
Yes, different. Not
Different,
same.
right? Different, right? Different. Then what they will do now? What US people will do now? Whatever US client will be there, then what they will do now? If Indian, because already this TCS people is what is that experienced. This TCS people is experienced to developing what is that Jaguar project, right? But the thing is we need to migrate, we need to develop what is that based on that US market. This project we need to develop what is that same project with the US market. Then what they will do now? Again they will start a scratch level project? No. Why? They will what is that? They will call, if any Indian people is working what is that in this project, who's the already becoming some senior, now. Once they will become senior, then what they will do now? That US client will what is that give that person on-site opportunity. They will give what is that on-site opportunity. Who is the good in this project? Who is already good in this project? Then what is that? Now they will give what is that on-site opportunity. Then what is that? This employee will go US. Then this employee will go US, right? US. Now then what is that? Based on that US market, that employee, what the employee will do now? That employee will design, that employee based on this this application, what is that application, then that employee will design what is that template. Then that employee will design that template, and that template will add with what is that this current project, adding this template is nothing but what? Adding this template is nothing but what is that? Roll out. So roll out, then what is that? This developer for what is that? For 3 year, 4 year, or he want to become permanent over there. Once he will he is going to US, and based on that client satisfaction, they will, if that client is satisfied, then he will make the permanent employee of that place only. Or again what will happen now? Once their year of period is completed, then what is that? It will come again to India. So this kind of opportunity is nothing but what is that? On-site opportunity. And if you are going to if you are working on this, if you are working on sub project, and if you are going to what is that? Going to directly in the client office, and if you are working there, right? Working there, that is called on-site opportunity. And you are developing that template, and you are like what is that? Interacting that template with the current object, right? Current project. That is nothing but what is that? Rolled out. That is nothing but what is that? Rolled out now, guys. So rolled out now. So now let's start to what is that? Designing our what is that? Template. Let's start designing our template. Template is nothing but what, friends? Abstraction, right? Abstraction. So now
Yes.
now I'm asking, guys, okay? Now I'm asking, now what is abstraction, guys? Don't worry about that. Maybe people know the template and don't know. I'm not saying what is the abstraction. If you know the abstraction is nothing but what is the template only. So now give me some description about the template. What is the abstract? What is the abstract class? What is the abstraction in the Java only? Okay, no, don't give in the what is that? TypeScript, Java only. Also, if you know the definition, just tell me, guys. I want to know that how many people knows that perfect like definition of abstract.
Abstract class having that it's a method to declare the in abstract method. We have to extend in subclass also that method. And you can hide the internal implementation and know the essential details. Abstract.
Good. Just only one person. What about others?
Showing the functionality, hiding the implementation.
Hiding the implementation. Okay. What about others? Nowadays, I'm not hearing like Sandeep voice. Just is like silently He will be there in the session and he is not. What about you, Sandeep? I want to hear from you also. Are you there? Sakti.
Yeah, the person is we need
Okay.
to show the client as a
Okay.
sorry.
Okay. Now let's understand. Okay. Don't worry about that, guys. If you don't know, no issues. But the thing is, don't sit silent. If you are sitting the silent, then I will also become silent only. If I become silent also, then what is that? What will be there in the session? You will enjoy with your destination. I will enjoy with my destination. Simple, right? Means what is that? Just only between us, only one communication only one communication will be there. What is the communication? Zoom only, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now let's start it. Let's start it, guys. So under understanding abstract methods, and what is that? Abstract class. Let's start. What is that? Understanding what is that abstract method and what is that abstract class. Now a method that what is that does that does not have, right, that does not have body is called, what is that, is called abstract
Method.
method, right, is called, what is that,
Yes.
abstract method. And what is that, and the class that is, what is that, declared as abstract using, what is that, using abstract class, using, what is that, sorry, abstract keyword is called, what is that, is called abstract class, is called, what is that, abstract class. So if a class contains abstract method, it must be declared, it must be declared as, what is that, abstract, right, it must be declared as a abstract now. So what is the procedure, right, what is the procedure to create abstract method in the class now, and what is the procedure to create the abstract classes now, guys? Now let's understand. So procedure to create abstract methods in, what is that, in a class, what is that, what we will do it now, class, create what we will do it now, guys, create a method without, right, create a method without body. If we are not creating that method without body, then what we are saying now, guys, that method is what, abstract method.
Abstract method.
Yeah, so a method created without body is called, what is that, called abstract method, is called, what is that, abstract method. What is the rule? Now let's understand what is the rule to creating, what is that, abstract classes, abstract method. Don't worry, guys, I will touch each and every interview questions as well as answer also, what is that, answer also. Now let's start. Rule. What is the rule of, what is that, rule rule of abstract method. Rule of what is that? Abstract method. Is it method should contains abstract keyword and should ends with what is that? With what? Semicolon. End with what is that? Semicolon. Now what is the example? For example, I'm taking what is that? Example. Now we will take what is that? Public abstract. Let's take M1 method. I'm taking M1 method, and the return type is what? Return type is what is that? Void, right? Return type is what is that? This is the declaration prototype of what? Abstract method. This is the declaration prototype of what is that? Abstract method, guys. Now if you want to see this one, now let's take what is that? That example, but some more clarity I need, some more theory I will touch it, guys. Some more theory I will touch, then all theory we will conclude in the program. We will conclude all theory in the program now. So my question is what is that? Why method should has what is that? Abstract keyword. If it does not have body. This is the interview question now, guys. See, it does not have what is that? Body. Na, come on. Body means nothing but what is now, guys? Open a curly bracket and a close curly bracket or not? Come on.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
but this abstract method doesn't have what? Body. Then why? Then my question is what is that? Should has abstract keyword if it does not have body. So now let's understand the answer now, guys. Let's understand the answer now. So in class we are allowed only to define what is that? Method with what is that? With a body. In the class, what we are doing now, guys? In the class, we are yesterday itself only we learned now. In the classes,
Yes.
what we are doing now? With the body, what we are doing now? We are developing the method, right? Come on.
Yes.
Developing the method. So since we are removing is perfect. So no, removing is not perfect. Now we are
Not
changing.
defining, not defining.
We are changing its what is that? It's a default. It's what is that? Default property. It's a default properties, right? Properties means what? Properties means what is that now? Means property is nothing but what is that? Removing its body. Removing what is that? Its body. Body must has abstract keyword. Abstract keyword, right? Abstract keyword. Else what is that? Else it lead compile time error. It lists what is that? Compile time error now, guys. So now let's create it. Now let's create. I'm going to take one example based on that our